A hidden war is happening in Sudan. Since April 2023, over 10 million people have fled their homes. Reporting on the crisis has been nearly impossible. Journalists can't access the front lines, and there's an internet blackout. But our team was able to find unique video evidence proving that the militia group, the Rapid Support Forces, is killing non-Arab civilians. This is how we uncovered it and what it means for the people of Sudan. We obtained unpublished trophy videos of a massacre, filmed by the killers themselves. They contained clues to piece together what happened. We matched the skyline and landscape in one clip to this plot of land in a displaced people's camp called Kasab. Then we found reports from June last year mentioning a massacre in Kasab and the name of brothers who were murdered there. Here's one of the brothers, Hussein Idris Suleiman Abgar, pictured wearing a football jersey. It matches the jersey worn by one of the victims in the trophy video. This, along with interviews with locals, allowed us to confirm that these 5 victims were the Suleiman brothers. Next, we found a propaganda video posted by the armed group, the RSF, 2 days after the killings. It shows a well-known commander present in the army base in Kutum, right next to Kasab camp. This indicates that the murders were part of a larger coordinated attack on a town and that RSF leadership was involved. A witness told us he heard an RSF commander say,
"Today we will enter Kasab camp by any means. The slaves, the displaced, entered the halls as if they were rats."
Locals and the UN Refugee Agency found that at least 73 civilians were killed in early June in the Kasab area. Witnesses say they were targeted because of their ethnicity. This is just one example of the extreme violence that is happening in Sudan, perpetrated by both the RSF and the government's own military, the Sudanese armed forces. So who is fueling this conflict, and could it be stopped? The UAE is funding the RSF, while Egypt and Saudi Arabia are supporting the Sudanese armed forces. All 3 are key allies of Western countries. This means the US and EU countries do have leverage. Human rights groups call on the war's backers and their allies to stop funding the violence, demand a ceasefire, and protect civilians. These videos, now that they're verified, can help hold leaders to account.